As some of you may know, I recently bought this Alienware for $100 on the Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't seen that video, click on the box in the top right of the screen. The only issue that I found with this laptop is that the battery doesn't work, so I removed it in hopes that I could find the issue. Unfortunately, I could not, so I harvested all of the good cells to use in future projects. So in today's video, we're going to find out if a new battery is all this behemoth needs to be back to its 100% functional state. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. Alright, so jumping straight into the video, I'll need to remove the 3 Phillips head screws holding the rear cover in place. Once the rear cover is out of the way, you'll have to remove 3 more screws to pull the, in this case, imaginary battery out. Installing the new battery is as simple as doing the same thing but in reverse. Simply drop it in, insert the 3 screws, and plug it in. And finally, replace the rear cover. But now, for the moment of truth. Well, there you have it. I know this video wasn't very long, but I didn't see the point in dragging it out for something so simple. That being said, I hope this video was helpful, or even entertaining, and if you want to see more, be sure to hit that bell icon and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think I should do for a future video. But as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Later.